Hi children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about redox reactions. Redox reaction. What is meant by redox reaction? Do you know children? So before that, first what we discussed in previous classes, oxidation and reduction, correct? Oxidation, reduction. So based on these two definitions we are going to learn about redox reaction. So let us write first what is the definition. The reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place. This is called redox reaction. What is that meaning? The reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place. So we know that oxidation and reduction in previous classes we have learned about oxidation and reduction. What is meant by oxidation? We have few definitions, right? So losing of electrons, or we can give another definition, gaining positive charge, or we can tell gaining or losing or addition of oxygen. Okay children, like that only we have learned about reduction also. So what is reduction? Here losing electrons means here gaining electrons, and second one is here gaining positive charge, here gaining negative charge, and third one addition of oxygen, here addition of hydrogen. And one more property we have learned. If you see previous videos, you will get to know oxidation reduction definitions and examples. So based on this oxidation and reduction, we are going to discuss about redox reaction, the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place. So now let us discuss about reaction or example. So what is the example means? Copper oxide is reacting with hydrogen molecule and it gives copper and water molecule. Look at here children, one copper balanced, two hydrogens balanced, one oxygen. This is the balanced equation. But what he is telling in a reaction, what it should happen? Oxidation as well as reduction. First let us discuss about oxidation states of each and every element, or each and every atom, or each and every molecule. Let us see. Copper is a metal, we know that. Here oxygen is having -2 charge, we know. So that copper is having +2 charge. Then hydrogen is present in elemental state, so that this charge is 0. Next, copper is elemental state, so that we are telling here copper is having 0 charge, and here hydrogen is having 0 charge. Here one oxygen means -2. So here two hydrogen, one hydrogen means +1, two hydrogens means +2 charge. So let us see first oxidation, losing of electrons. So here 0 to hydrogen molecule, if you observe 0 to what it changed? +2. So gaining positive charge, it is nothing but oxidation. How many electrons it lost? So 2 electrons it lost. So it is oxidation. Understood children how it happened? Oxidation. Hydrogen is having 0 charge, but here in H2O hydrogen is having +2 charge. So 0 to +2 means it increased positive charge. So that we are telling it lost by 2 electrons. So losing of electrons is called oxidation. Next, reduction, how it is going to happen. Look at here. Copper is having which charge children? Here copper is having +2 charge, and if you observe here, copper is having which charge? 0 charge. So that here +2 to 0 means positive charge is decreased. So negative charge gaining electrons. So how many electrons it is gained? 2 electrons it gained. So that we are telling it is a reduction. Here 2 electrons lost. Here 2 electrons gained. So gaining of electrons is called reduction. Losing of electrons, here instead of here you write losing electrons. So 2 electrons it lost, so that we are telling it is oxidation. So first we have taken an example, balanced chemical equation. In that we have written oxidation states. Then what we have learnt, which is undergoing oxidation, which is undergoing reduction, we have find out how. Because of here hydrogen is having 0 charge because elemental state. Here hydrogen is having +2 charge. So that 0 to +2 means positive charge is increased and losing electrons by 2. So that we are telling it is oxidation. Is it clear children? Next, second one, reduction. So in copper oxide, copper is having +2. Here copper is having 0 charge. So +2 to 0 it converted. So that it is gaining of 2 electrons. So that we are calling it is reduction. So reduction and oxidation both are happening in one reaction. So this reaction is called redox reaction. Any doubts children? Very easy, redox reaction, the reaction in which both oxidation reduction takes place. So in previous classes we have discussed about oxidation and reduction. If you want to learn about oxidation reduction in previous videos you can watch. Next we have seen example 1. Then what we discussed, oxidation and reduction, how it happened, and oxidation states how we written. Based on that oxidation and reduction it happened in one reaction, so that we are telling this reaction is called redox reaction. Thank you children.